Understanding the verb to be. The verb to be is one of the most important and frequently used verbs in the English language. It serves as a fundamental building block in forming sentences and expressing existence, identity, and characteristics. Forms of the verb to be. The verb to be changes form to match the subject and the tense of the sentence. Below are its various forms. Present tense. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. Past tense. I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, they were. Future tense. I will be, you will be, he, she, it will be, we will be, they will be. Uses of the verb to be. The verb to be is versatile and used in multiple contexts. Describing characteristics and states. She is happy. The sky is blue. They are excited. Indicating existence. There is a book on the table. There are many options available. Forming passive voice. The cake was eaten by the children. The project will be completed by next week. Constructing continuous tenses. I am reading a book. They were playing soccer yesterday. Common mistakes. Subject-verb agreement. Ensure the verb form matches the subject and number and person. For example, use is with singular third-person subjects and are with plural subjects. Using the correct tense. Choose the appropriate tense to convey the correct timing of the action or state. Mixing tenses can lead to confusion. Practice sentences. To solidify your understanding of the verb to be, try filling in the blanks with the appropriate form. She, a talented musician. We, at the concert last night. I, going to the store later. By mastering these forms and uses of the verb to be, you can enhance your communication skills and better convey your thoughts and ideas.